Paulie here. This is the Mud Mower, as you guys know. It was my racing mower in Crosby days, but it's got a new official name. And I've been calling it this for a while, just didn't do a YouTube video to share it. It is now officially the number 63 Murray Mud Mower. But I did something new to it, and I hope you all like it. Let's take a look at it. I made a rack for it. A rack with toolbox. And I've seen a lot of designs. I've copied from some of others, and I've made this unique to my own design. I think it's pretty cool. And what's it made out of? That is a crab pot. Here in Washington State we go crabbing. That was just one side of it. This, talking about this material here. And these posts, rails, whatever you want to call them. I had two old push mowers, and those are the handles that you push it with. And it's just bolted down to the back of the Murray, and as well as those support beams. Now the toolbox, just a cheap little Harbor Freight toolbox. I can remove it if I want to. It's just bolted down. I got a plate underneath this rack securing it in there. I may put some kind of like rubber material underneath this thing so it doesn't rattle. I don't know if it rattles. I haven't really gotten crazy on it. But yeah, I can remove the thing and, you know, put it like a small cooler. I can put a cooler on it, a decent sized cooler actually. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with myself. Yes, I did booger weld. I got some grinding to do. Right there. But I'm very happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this, because I was pretty excited to share it.